Hey everybody, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So if you live in the snow belt area, I want to ask you what's wrong with this picture. What do you see here? Studded snow tire. Studded snow tire. Symmetrical all-season tire. Symmetrical all-season tire. Okay, so here's the deal. It's a front-wheel drive vehicle. It's going to pull you through the snow. Yeah. Studded snow, not a good idea with all-season tires in the back. Why is that? Because, oh yeah, you're going to get good traction in the front, but the back end of your car is going to come around to meet the front. And what I mean is you're going to lose control of the vehicle. Yeah. So, to shorten this video up a little bit, if you're thinking of snow tires, you need to put 4 on. If they're going to be studded, they need to be 4 studded tires. If they're snow tires, they need to be 4 snow tires. Anyway, just trying to save you once again from having a bad day. Hey, like and subscribe, and please like, because it helps me get this channel built up. That's what I'm trying to do. Have a great day.